What's up, YouTube? JC News Now, out here with CarTheif News. Yeah? Oh, this is the guy that called me an asshole.
I swear to God, it's like you're here every weekend just to be an asshole.
Ah, you're such a pleasant man.
So are you.
Look up, boy. Look up, boy. Hi, ladies. Hi, ladies.
Make some noise for Brian. This one? TNT.
Hi, shut the door. It's a drag night, I guess.